Genuine VIQUA replacement lamp. The S200RL-HO is the replacement UV lamp for VIQUA VH200 series of ultraviolet water treatment systems. Annual lamp change. After a year, UV light weakens and isn't strong enough to properly treat your water. Replacing your lamp annually with a genuine VIQUA lamp ensures optimal system performance. Top reviews from the United States. OEM UV bulb fits Sterilight bundled in Aquasana system. I bought this to replace the original bulb for the Aquasana well water system I bought and was pleased to have the original manufacturer part rather than a cheap knockoff. The seller offered this bulb at a more competitive price than Aquasana did. My plumber respects the product and I am pleased to stick with it. Installation was very easy given the included directions. The seller took much care in the packaging and delivered it sooner than estimated with free shipping. Happy camper here. It was hard to find out among the VIQUA replacement bulbs here which one went with my system. I was finally able to trace it to this one thanks to my original Aquasana quote which listed the SC200A Sterilight unit as part of the well kit.